Well, for now, we have about 10 minutes left for the pre-opening rates to kick in. Sudarshan Sukhani and Mitessh Thakkar are with us. Gentlemen, morning to both of you. Sudarshan, what's the sense you're getting? This, the Nifty has now covered quite a bit of ground, right? I mean, it's up 400 points from the December lows. You think there's more money to be made on the upside, or could there be a roadblock because of the weak global handover?
Good morning, Sonia. I would say there's more money to be made on the upside. See, the Nifty has rallied 400 points in the last 5-6 days. So even without, say, weak US markets overnight, there was a chance that the Nifty would go through a minor dip. I mean, the markets are, or no indices are going to go up relentlessly day after day. So after a 400-point rally, a reasonable thought would be that we might see a pause, we might see a sideways action and some kind of a dip. So I would classify the expected weak open today to be that dip, not a change of trend. The short-term trend remains intact. So this weakness in the market is a buying opportunity. Now the stops are wide. The stops are 17,800, which is the point at which, everything changes. So traders have to judge whether they are prepared to take those stops. They may adjust and determine their own stop losses for intraday trading. But this is not a time to go short. Either you are long or you are doing nothing.
Okay, got it. So, I mean, a dip, but no change in trend. And the idea is to buy the dip when it occurs. Gentlemen, good morning. Mitessh, what's your sense?
Morning, Prashant. So, we've been calling for this pullback rally to extend to about 18,250 levels. And yesterday, I think we had a good move. Today, I think we will open about 70, 80, maybe 90 points gap down. And for me, I think, that will be a buying opportunity. I think now, as long as we don't see a break below 18,000, I think I'll say a short-term view will be positive, and therefore 80-90 point gap down would be a good buying opportunity around 18,050-60 levels with a stop below 18,000. And again, 18,150 remains the first target pivot, and then 18,250 is what I'm eventually looking at. So in that sense, this dip I would use as a buying opportunity. Even on the stock side, we will explore more of long positions.
Okay, more of long positions, and tell us, what are you looking to buy or sell? And, I just wanted your thoughts also on two stocks, Asian Paints and HUL, both come out with numbers today. Would you take that bet and go long on either? Mitessh?
See, I think Asian Paints is something, which I've been liking. The stock was a recommendation yesterday along with Berger Paints. Very oversold, and therefore I think, a good chance that we will eventually see the stock rally. My targets for the stock in the near term is about 3,000 to begin with, and then possibly 3,035.40 on the upside. HUL is been doing very well, in fact, but I think the bigger breakout will happen once it starts getting past 27, 40, 50 zone. I think in the last 8 months, we've had 3 or 4 highs around that level on a weekly basis, not managing to break past that. So only, I think, about 27, 50 will turn positive.
All right, Sudarshan, what would your trades be, stock specific?
Well, I'm also more on the long side. BHL is a buying opportunity. The stock has been moving sideways, and there is a possibility that just before the budget, we may see a lot of gains in PSU public sector undertakings. So worth buying with a stop under 78. The charts are good enough. ICICI General Insurance, ICICI GI, is an intraday short. There was a big decline yesterday. That decline could continue. So sell. It's only an intraday short with a stop above 1235. Petronet is a buy. The stock is in a strong uptrend. It's outperforming the index. It has very favorable momentum. That's a buy with a stop under 216. And Ambuja Cement has gone through a deep decline. I think cement stocks may be now willing to stop, pause, build a base and go up. So Ambuja is a buy with a stop under 513.
Okay, what about you, Mitessh? What's on your list?
For me, I have 3 buys and a sell. On the buying side is L&T. It was a top call yesterday. Did very well. So if you get a mild dip today, around 22.50, let's say, that's a fresh buy with a stop at 22.25 for a target of around 2300 to about 23.10. Steel Authority had a breakout. That's a buy. I would recommend a stop just below 89 and a target of around 96 in the short term. And the third call is Jubilant Foods, extremely oversold and needs a reversal. So if it starts getting past yesterday's high of 506, buy then with a stop at 499.5 for targets of 520. And one sell call, I think the PSU banks are now looking slightly weak. So BOP is a sell with a stop at 181.5 for a target of around 170.
All right. Thanks, gentlemen, for that. We'll take a quick commercial break. On the other side, we will have Harshit Kapadia of Elara Capital to put focus on the capital goods and consumer durable companies. Stay with us.